Umentari katana ka koi ka khia jo ka jalaw ba AL hek ulai thu ba ka sarkar ka sngo thui ki kindon jo ka ICMR halor COVID-19 hindre kan hapat ban page se ki bai ki jonan kam ha ka ban yakhone ka ne ka khlam uba hek ulapante ba ki dan bon ki brio ha ka jala ki ba test positive wa hadian ka jingdap jo ka jingshong slong na ni quarantine bar ka ICMR ka batha ba ki la ban len no shayeng Dehalo kene bo bahek ulai thu babon kila phoni u ban pen I ki jing e ba kimla ban chong slong la ni quarantine hayeng bahek ula pen pawru ba kalong ka ba e ban pha ki shayeng la da ki shnong ki thau kimsha ba sakawai ru kalong ba ka e palat ban chong slong hayeng namar ka jingret palat ka yeng bat ba ha ban pen kamru ka ju ka kamra shet bar ka jakale bar Ubahek ula ongru baki dorbar shnong kilai trei lang barka sarkar haka banya khone ka khlam COVID-19 ba ula kenturu yaki baki nang beteng banya trei lang barka sarkar Ulapan paru baka sarkar jala kadan ka man pechwai ka jingshong shingan ki paitba bar ka kindon ka deru bandan lang
So I have got a call. Few of the positive people which are there in the Corona Care Center, or quarantine center of the state government. So after they have completed the periods of quarantine period, but still they are testing positive. The ICMR protocol says that those people those have completed the quarantine period, if they are positive also, they can send them back home. So yesterday I got a few calls from there. They told me how we'll go to home because we are still positive. After we have completed, of course, the quarantine period, but still only yesterday they've been tested again positive. So now the community will not allow them to go. Their family, they have a small house. They don't have a separate kitchen. They don't have a separate toilet. How they can go and stay the positive, stay with the negative family? They also have a very vulnerable family like children, the baby, and also sometimes the old mother, old fathers. That's very difficult for them. So today also I have told the Commissioner Secretary and the HSMI, in that situation we understand the ICMR protocol, but we have to see our ground reality problems. We have to base on the ground reality problem. Now all this few months we have been working very smoothly with the COVID management committee, that is Dorbarshno. So now we have to cooperate with the Dorbarshno, not because we have the ICMR protocol, we have the protocol is there, but we have to see first the convenience and the safety of our people, of our states.